In a small village, there lived a young artist named Mia. One day, while exploring the attic, she found an old dusty paintbrush. As she brushed off the cobwebs, it began to glow. Mia decided to test the paintbrush and painted a small flower. To her amazement, the flower came to life, blooming right before her eyes. Realizing the magic, she rushed to the village square and started painting a mural. She painted food for the hungry, toys for the children, and a garden for everyone to enjoy. The village transformed with vibrant colors and life, bringing joy to all the villagers. An elderly woman approached Mia and said, "The true magic lies in your kind heart, dear. You've brought happiness to us all." Moral of the story: kindness and creativity can transform the world. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Moral Lessons, for more inspiring stories and valuable lessons. Together, let's spread positivity and